Have you ever just wanted to press mute on the world to find your own bubble of perfect silence, or your own personal concert, no matter where you are? That's the magic we're diving into today with the Sony WH-CH720N noise-canceling headphones. I've been testing these for a week, and I'm not sure I can ever go back to normal headphones. Right away, you notice the design. They're incredibly lightweight. At just 192 grams, you can wear these for hours without any of that heavy, clamping feeling. The white finish is sleek, and the build feels solid without being bulky. But the real star of the show is the noise cancellation. Sony's dual noise sensor technology is inside these things. It actively listens to the world around you and creates an inverse sound wave to cancel it out. In practice, that means on my commute, the rumble of the train just disappears. In a coffee shop, the background chatter fades into nothing. It's just you and your audio, and you can customize it all with the amazing Sony Headphones Connect app. Need to be aware of your surroundings? Crank up the ambient sound mode. You can even set it to focus just on people's voices, so you don't miss an airport announcement. These are an absolute game changer for commuters, students, or anyone who needs to focus. If you're ready to find your focus or get lost in your music, check the link in the description for the best price. Drop a like if this was helpful, and subscribe for more real-world reviews. Thanks for watching.